Hey guys, today is October the 23rd. Yesterday was my son's birthday, Josiah's birthday. I just pulled up to the house just to see if we got anything going on. And I believe that they are doing the well right now. I want to say that's the well. I'm not sure. Hopefully I can run into somebody over here to see exactly what it is. I don't know what's going on today, guys. Hi, how are you? What is this for? What's this for? The well. I was right, guys. It is the well. And what is this? That goes in the well? This stuff that's on here? It's like what? White pipe? This ease seal? That ease seal? Oh, around it. Okay, cool. Okay. I wasn't sure if I was right. I seen it right there, and I'm like, is that a well? I think that's a well. I'm the owner of the home. Hi, how you doing?
Doing all right. You well with 58 feet? Got plenty of good water in it.
58 feet? Awesome. Okay.
Got plenty of good water. I've already drank it. I've already tasted it. It tastes real good.
Yes! I'm so excited about that. Like, I'm so excited of City with him. So, yeah. He said I done drunk and everything. It's good. Well, it's nice to meet you. I'm Ebony.
Nice to meet you too.
And I'm just getting my little footage for YouTube to go on my channel. So the well is great, guys, as you just heard. I'm excited about this. Okay, so excited. He said our water tastes great. He just took a drunk of it himself. So that makes me happy to hear. So now our well is getting done. Yay! I don't know what else will be getting done today. But as y'all know, I had to ask all the questions because I need to know. I want to know. I'm nosy. But yeah, so nothing else has happened over here, as you guys know. There's Gracie. She's on 100 today. Woo! So excited about that. Hey, Tabitha! That's our neighbor. So I am so. Hey, little guy! How you doing? So excited about that. No, we're about to go bye-bye because you still got to eat lunch. But I just wanted to see. This is a short update, guys. Nothing too big, but did want to show you guys what was going on. Okay, short video. Nothing too much going on. Around here, but that is a lot going on. The well is there. See you later, guys. Get the peek in the side, guys. Look. I love the lights. I'm so glad that we got these lights. Yes, Grace loves the lights. She's keep talking about these lights. Oh, so all I can see is the living room and the kitchen from here.
Gonna be running around in there. Gonna have all kinds of rain.
All right, guys. So I didn't get to say what today was. Today is October the 24th, and they just were doing the trim as you just seen in the last clip, right? Also, we just found out that we do have more upgrades in there. He was telling me the more upgrades that we have, and one of them is our stove. We have a glass flat top stove, something I always wanted, guys. So I'm excited about that. Like, we have a lot of upgrades, and he was trying to explain to me all the upgrades, but I can't remember them all. But that one, of course, stood out with me because that's something that I wanted. The Lord is just blessing, blessing me with the desires that I have. And there's Gracie. Hey guys, and us to death. But this is gonna. You can't wait to get in the new house. Stop me.
That's the time. It's my birthday.
It's your birthday next year. You're correct. So, guys, I don't know if you can see my excitement, but I'm so excited. I'm glad I got to get a sneak peek. Yes. Got to get a sneak peek. Our well is nice and installed. They, like I said, from yesterday, they dug it. They installed it today. So our well's installed. That was Clayton Homes from the Clayton Homes location we're going with. So they just already did it. The other people did the trim last week, what they do is just come in and make sure everything is settled correctly with the trimming and everything. The doors are on correctly, all those things. I just can't wait to see the other upgrades, guys, because they were telling me, but I just absolutely cannot remember. Stop, Mir. That's Mir. He keeps doing that. But here is the the well. We have well water, and I'm so excited about that. No more city water. Can drink directly from there. There it is. Can you see it? Can you see it? Look at my little well. Okay. But anyway, guys, I'm so excited. Today is what? Tuesday. So we got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Mir, leave that alone. Stop trying to break into our home, please. He's trying to get into the lock, which he cannot because he don't know the code. But as you guys know, what I'm gonna say, okay, we got a whole week ahead of us. Don't be bitter, don't be mean, and give someone a hug today. Give someone a hug today. Have a great week, guys.
Give Mom a hug.
You giving me a hug? See, give somebody a hug today. Have a great one, guys.